Welcome to the MSRA Back to the 50s here at the Minnesota State Fairgrounds for our 40th annual car show with over 12,000 custom cars, 1964 and older. Enjoy the next video and I'd hope to see you here.
Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Thanks for being here. Please enjoy the show.
Man, I love all these old cars.
So pretty, right?
I know.
All right, this is Paul Phillip from Fairmont, Minnesota. I've got my 1939 Chevy Coupe here. I rebuilt it or started putting it together almost 30 years ago. It's been finished now for 25 years. It's a driver, so it's got dings and dents in it because it is a driver. I drive it all the time. My wife has drove it once or twice, maybe, that's it. Other than that, yeah, I've had it for the length of it. The kids used to ride in the back. It's a really small back seat, but when they were little, they used to ride in the back. We used to come up. This is probably our 25th year up here at Back to the 50s.
Oh, is it really?
Yep, yep.
Wow. Tell us about the paint.
It's brandy wine is the color. It's over a gold base. I really debated on what color, but it was my favorite color I seen, and I knew there was another one around similar color to it, so I didn't want to paint it that color. And after all the colors, I went back to this one because this is the one that yep, you had to have it this color.
What are we looking at here?
It's 350 Chevy.
Okay.
327 heads on it. Nothing. It's a driver, so it's nothing carried away.
Sure. And then you made a good selection in
Mustang front, Mustang back.
Okay.
Interior done by a local guy right there in Sherburne, Minnesota.
Can we open up the
oh, sure. Sure.
That is nice. Look at these running boards here.
They're steel running boards, yeah.
Wow.
Replacement.
How's the car to drive?
It drives real nice. Air condition works good. Drives down the road real nice. No power steering, you know. So when you get into them tight corners, my biggest issue I have is keeping it cool coming in.
Right.
Yeah. Which a lot of guys do.
And then I love the tires and the rims on this.
Yeah. Yeah, that was the first thing I actually bought for the car. I had the tires and the wheels before I had anything. So the bare frame was sitting there and the tires and wheels.
Right, that's half the fun. You know?
Yeah, it was.
Wow.
Yep.
Wow. Have you won car show awards?
Oh, we got a shelf of them. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Yep.
And then, do you have any other cars here with friends or family?
No other cars here. I got a 51 Ford that used to be my dad's.
Okay.
I got that at home in a 37 Dodge pickup.
Neat.
Yep.
Neat. And then, so this is our first time here. Tell us about this car show.
This event, awesome. You know, there's, I think there'll be 15,000 cars here before the day is done, so you won't see them all.
Right.
All right.
And then, do you let anyone drive this car other than yourself?
My wife has drove it a couple times, huh?
Yep, that's it.
And Austin's drove it once.
Correct.
My son drove it once. Yeah. All right, thanks for watching.
That's what happens on a hot day.
Yeah, right.
Just blew a hose.